Hi, we're looking at day 3, week 1 in your take-home packet. So again, you're going to read 20 minutes, and then you're going to continue prefixes. So remember, prefixes are a combination of letters that are added to the beginning of the word to change the meaning of the original word. Today, we're going to look at the prefix un, which means not. So we've got untied, unbelievable, unhappy, and undress. So untied means not tied. So if I said, you untied my shoes, that means you untied them, you didn't tie them anymore, you took the knot out. So that means it's not tied anymore. We're going to have a conversation with these words in context. You can have the conversation or you can write sentences in your journal, but remember to label them day 3, week 1, so I'll know what they mean when you send it back to school. Our math today, we're working on place value still, greater than and less than. So if you remember, we've done this in class. If you had 16 and compared to 61, which one's bigger? So which one would the crocodile eat? Would it eat the 16 or would it eat the 61? Or you could think about it in terms of money. Would you rather have $16 or $61? I would rather have $61. You can draw these out if you don't quite understand what the meaning is. So if I were to draw out the number 16, I would have 1 10 stick and 6 little ones. And then if I drew out the number 61, I would have 6 10 sticks. And then I would have 1 block. So let's look at which looks bigger. I think this number looks bigger, so that correlates in response to what my original statement was. I would rather have $61 or rather have 61 pieces of chocolate or 61 cookies in comparison to 16. So you could do these as many as you would like. If you want to write it down, you can. It would be again under day 3. You can also do these while you're doing something else. Your mom can say, okay, which one's bigger, 33 or 73? And you can respond. Let's look at science. We are still working with matters, properties, and change. Today we're going to use 2 new bowls, half full of water. You're going to observe the weight of the water by picking it up. Observe the volume of the water by marking it on the bowl. So you're just marking how high the water went. And you're going to make a prediction. What do you think will happen if you place one of the bowls in the freezer overnight? What will happen to the bowl you leave on the counter overnight? So what do you think is going to happen if you compare what the bowl you put in the freezer and the bowl you leave on the counter? You're going to record your predictions with words and illustrations. You're going to draw a picture. You can do this in your journal, and then you're going to place one of the bowls in the freezer. So think about what will happen to that bowl you put in the freezer. And then the last thing you're going to do, as always, is to get your heart rate up. Your goal is 30 to 60 minutes. Thank you for listening. Bye.